Hi friends, welcome to Creative Calligraphy Kids. Today we're gonna learn about water, ocean and sea animals. So let's start. Tuna. Tuna. Coral. Coral. Starfish. Crab. Octopus. Octopus. Seahorse. Seahorse. Seal. Seal. Walrus. Walrus. Whale. Whale. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Penguin. Penguin. Squid. Squid. Lobster. Lobster. Pelican. Pelican. Seagull. Seagull. Dolphin. Dolphin. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. Shark. Shark. Eel. Eel. Stingray. Stingray. Sea lion. Sea lion. Seashells. Seashells. Clownfish. Clownfish. Sea urchin. Sea urchin. Sea cucumber. Sea cucumber. Shrimp. Shrimp. Oyster. Oyster. Cormorant. Cormorant. Angelfish. Angelfish. Barracuda. Barracuda. Blowfish. Blowfish. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish. Dogfish. Dogfish. Dory. Blennyfish. Blennyfish. Blue crab. Blue crab. Eagle ray. Eagle ray. Brittle star. Brittle star. Sand dollar. Sand dollar. Elephant seal. Elephant seal. Flounder. Flounder. Giant clam. Giant clam. Giant squid. Giant squid. Goldfish. Goldfish. Goliath grouper. Goliath grouper. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead shark. King crab. King crab. Marlin. Marlin. Manatee. Manatee. Leopard shark. Leopard shark. Manta ray. Manta ray. Narwhal. Nautilus. Nautilus. Orca. Orca. Lionfish. Lionfish. Pineapple fish. Pineapple fish. Sea dragon. Sea dragon. Sea hare. Sea hare. Sea otter. Sea otter. Frigate bird. Frigate bird. Flying fish. Flying fish. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss out on our more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.